Hi, I'm Christopher, virtual presenter of the Innova Plus channel. Innova Plus News, Biotechnology and Technological Innovation is on the air, bringing publications available on the Internet on March 4, 2024. But, before you start, be sure to subscribe to our channel, here on YouTube. It's fast and free. Oh, you're already subscribed, so, thank you so much for your support. Enjoy and press the notification bell to stay on top of the channel's news, and also like and share the videos you like on your social networks. Help us reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. Let's go to today's posts. First block, Biotechnology. News number 1, MEDICINA S / March 4, 2024, Hemocord creates the first clinical-grade iPSC cell line. Hemocord, a biotechnology company focused on cell therapy in regeneration medicine, has developed the first line of clinical-grade indolescent pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs, in Brazil. These stem cells can be used to study human subjects. iPSCs, derived from umbilical cord tissue, can be used for disease research, drug testing, and evaluation of specific medications for each patient. They also have potential for personalized medicine, such as creating retinal cells for macular degeneration. The project was developed through the FAPERGS program and involved 10 clinical-grade iPSC strains, which passed morphology, pluripotency, and genetic tests. The goal of GATE is to develop a global database of iPSCs, ensuring quality and accessibility for researchers, the pharmaceutical industry, and physicians. Currently, there are fewer than 40 studies on iPSCs in humans, mostly in degenerative eye diseases, neoplasms, degenerative neurological diseases, and cardiovascular diseases. News number 2, VIII, March 4, 2024, new injection may be more effective than Ozempic and Wegovy for weight loss. A new injectable drug, called Super Ozempic, has shown promising results in weight loss, outperforming drugs like Ozempic and Wegovy. A recent clinical study by Viking Therapeutics in California found that patients who received a high dose of VK2735 lost an average body weight of 14.7% over the course of 13 weeks. In comparison, those who used Ozempic and Wegovy took 68 weeks to achieve similar results. The drug mimics the hormone glucagon, which is responsible for prolonging the feeling of weight loss, and also inhibits the insulin-dependent glucose polypeptide, which slows the movement of food in the gut. Despite some side effects like vomiting and nausea, the study suggests that VK2735 may represent a significant breakthrough in the treatment of obesity and related conditions. Viking Therapeutics CEO Brian Lien expressed optimism about the drug's development and plans to aggressively pursue clinical development. News number 3, Federal University of Paraiba, UFPB, March 4, 2024, UFPB's extension project gives tips on how to prevent dengue. The project, Popular Education Mosquito Science, Knowing and Fighting Disease-Transmitting Mosquitoes, from UFPB, released guidelines on how to prevent and care against dengue. Guidelines include avoiding standing water, cleaning the floor of the residence, and ensuring that pets have access to clean water. In addition, keeping tires indoors, using hanging baskets, and using body repellents are also recommended. These measures are essential to combat the dengue mosquito and prevent the spread of the disease. The project is an initiative of the Laboratory of Biotechnology Applied to Parasites and Vectors, LAPAVET, linked to the UFPB Development Institute, IDP-UFPB, coordinated by Prof. Fabiola Nunes, from C Biotech, and students, scholarship holders and volunteers from the biotechnology course. The project aims to bring information about dengue, Zika, and chikungunya mosquitoes to the population of João Pessoa. News number 4, AGêNCIA MINAS, March 4, 2024, technology developed by Unimontes is transferred to a company to produce fuel using macaúba. Acelen Energia Renováveis, a member of Mubadala Investment Company, will invest 125 million Brazilian reals in a project to develop biofuels from macaúba. The company will use Unimontes technology for the germination of macaúba seeds at the Agricultural Research and Innovation Center in Montes Claros. The project aims to produce 200 million hectares of macaúba, aiming at energy use. The project will produce renewable biodiesel, HVO, and sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, from macaúba oil. The center will have about 500 jobs. The university also signed a license agreement for the technology for overcoming seminal sleep in macaúba, with the aim of applying existing germination protocols and developing new technologies for the species. The partnership between Unimontes and Aislen Energia Renováveis demonstrates the importance of research in the northern region of Minas Gerais and in the state. The research will also contribute to the development of new biofuels. News number 5, FOLHA VITÓRIA, March 4, 2024, Allbiom Biotechnology Center opens a branch in Sorriso. Allbiom, a Brazilian company specializing in bioprocessing, inaugurated its new office in Sorriso on February 23. The 600 square meters facility is located in the national agribusiness capital and will focus on the agribusiness sector, which accounts for a significant portion of the company's customer base. The new office will facilitate the relationship with those who are part of the agribusiness ecosystem, maintaining relationships with producers, cooperatives, and industries. The facility will be used for various purposes, including welcoming friends and clients, promoting vocational courses, and holding workshops. The Allbiom Academy, the 6th edition of the company, was held in Sorriso for the first time, with participants getting to know the company's facilities and the participation of Martha Viviana Torres Celi, adjunct professor at the Federal University of Mato Grosso. Allbiom guarantees safe solutions for the control of laboratory and industrial bioprocesses, contributing to the development of new high-value aggregated bioproducts. The company's services range from biotechnology consulting and evaluation to equipment manufacturing and bioproduct development in state-of-the-art facilities. Second block, Technological Innovation. News number 6, State University of Maranhão, UEMA, March 4, 2024, 8 Brazilian Symposium on Acarology in São Luís, joining efforts for sustainability. The 8th Brazilian Symposium on Acarology, SIBAC, will take place in São Luís, capital of Maranhão, from June 23 to 26, 2024. The event, promoted and organized by the State University of Maranhão, UEMA, the Federal University of Maranhão, UFMA, and the Federal Institute of Maranhão, IFMA, will bring together experts from all over the country and abroad to discuss advances and challenges in the area of acarology. SIBAC will serve as the main forum for discussions and exchange of experiences on acarology, with a focus on sustainable development in Brazil's agricultural and poultry sector. The event will feature international researchers, collaborations between Brazilian research institutions and universities, and a scientific program focused on addressing relevant and current topics. Among the objectives of the event are to promote the exchange of information, cooperation between institutions and the proposition of appropriate public policies for issues related to acarology. SIBAC aims to share scientific knowledge and advances in the area, guiding future actions focused on environmental, social and economic sustainability. The event is scheduled to take place in São Luís, Brazil, from June 23 to 26, 2024. News number 7, O Jornal Econômico, March 4, 2024, people still don't understand the true technological innovation of Bitcoin. The founder of FRE Madeira, André Loya, believes that people still don't understand the true technological innovation of Bitcoin. He believes that Bitcoin is more than a currency and that it is a better form of money. Loya emphasizes that Bitcoin's great technological revolution was the first time that a protocol was created that allowed an activity to be unique and non-replicable. Bitcoin Atlantis, organized by FRE Madeira, will take place between March 1 and 3, 2024, at Estadio dos Barreiros. The event will bring former Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey to the region, with an expected attendance of 5 million people. The organization aims to educate and contribute to the adoption of Bitcoin technology in Madeira, beyond anything else. Bitcoin is an open-source network that allows for secure and verified digital transactions, with rules well defined by the protocol. News number 8, NA_O PERD NA_O, March 4, 2024, Pedro Miguel unveils new team for ITAP maps, a technological innovation on the rise. Pedro Miguel Lopes da Silva, known for his role as Secretary of Cultural and Technological Innovation at the National Club of Artists of Brazil, has announced a new team for ITAP maps, a revolutionary map application that operates without internet access. Daniel Eduardo Lopes da Silva, Maria Eloisa Ferreira dos Passos and Isabela Leis dos Santos join Pedro Miguel, a talented and diverse team committed to taking ITAP maps to new heights in the technology sector. ITAP Maps is an innovative offline navigation solution that caters to users facing connectivity challenges. Its ability to function without internet access makes it a reliable and convenient alternative for those who rely on maps in remote locations or unstable connections. Pedro Miguel's progressive vision and technical expertise have been instrumental in the development of ITAP Maps, and his team is excited about the challenges and opportunities it faces in continuous development. News number 9, Yara News, March 4, 2024, SJOS, Technological Innovation in Stroke Treatment. Hospital São José de Criciúma is currently the most inclusive research center in Brazil for the treatment of acute vascular ischemic shock, AVS. The study, coordinated by Janssen and Bristol Myers Squibb, aims to investigate whether an experimental drug called milvexian, along with standard treatment, is safe and effective in reducing the risk of future ischemic stroke. The research is being conducted in several research centers around the world, with the SJOS Research Center being the first in Brazil and the world to include the largest number of participants. The study will be supported by researchers and teams of neurologists for 15 months.